Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best one-handed walker is probably one of the most innovative mobility aids available today, designed specifically for those with limited use of one hand. These walkers are engineered to provide crucial support, boosting independence, and enhancing safety with every step. Whether you're recovering from an injury or managing a long-term condition, this device can significantly improve your quality of life. Number 5. Drive Medical Hemi One-Arm Walker, Chrome, Adult. This walker is specifically designed for individuals who have the use of only one hand or arm. It offers a practical solution for those needing support. It provides more stability than a cane while being lighter than a traditional walker. This makes it easier to maneuver. The walker folds easily with just one hand, making it convenient for storage and transport. This feature adds to its user-friendly design. It's ideal for users who don't need a full walker but require a wider base for added support. This design enhances its stability. The overall dimensions are 16 inches long, 18.5 inches wide, and 28.5 inches high. The handle height adjusts from 28.5 to 35.5 inches, and it supports up to 300 pounds. What we like? This walker folds easily with one hand, making it incredibly convenient for users with limited mobility. Its wider base provides enhanced stability compared to a cane. If you are looking for a reliable support system that's easy to manage and offers a high weight capacity, this is the one for you. What people say. The walker is very easy to maneuver. It is lightweight and easy to lift. The walker is very sturdy and well built. Number 4. Carex Folding Hemi Walker, Sidearm Style. This is a one-handed walker designed for side-style walking. It's lighter than a standard walker but more stable than a cane. It provides excellent support and stability for those who need it. This mobility aid is incredibly light and easy to maneuver. You can adjust the height from 30 to 35 inches. Simply adjust the buttons and slide the tubes to your desired height. It's a great choice for stroke victims, seniors, or anyone with walking difficulties. The design makes it easy to use and provides the support needed for independent mobility. The walker folds up easily, making it convenient for storage and transport. It's a perfect alternative to a cane, offering more stability and support. Carex is a leader in mobility solutions for seniors. For over 35 years, they have been providing reliable and innovative products like this one. What we like? This walker is height adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for various users. It's also lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for those with limited strength. If you are an elderly individual or a stroke victim seeking a stable and adaptable mobility aid, consider this one. What people say. The walker is very sturdy and well made. It is easy to maneuver and folds up easily for storage. The wheels glide smoothly over various surfaces. Number 3. Medline Sidestepper Adult Hemi Walker. This walker is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. Even if you only have the use of one arm, it's simple to move around. Compared to a quad cane, this product offers greater stability and weight-bearing support. It's designed to help you feel more secure while moving. The height of the walker is adjustable in 1-inch increments. This allows you to customize it to your specific needs and height. The hand grip features a bi-level design. This provides extra assistance, especially when you're getting in or out of a chair. This walker is designed to provide you with the support you need. It's a reliable aid for those who require assistance with mobility. What we like? This walker features a lightweight design, making it easy to move around. The bi-level hand grip offers extra assistance, especially when getting in and out of chairs. If you need a walker that provides stability and ease of use, this one is a great choice. What people say. The walker is very sturdy and well built. The design is great and allows me to get around much easier. It is easy to maneuver. Number 2. Drive Medical 10,240-1 Hemi One-Arm Walker. This walker is designed for individuals who have the use of only one hand or arm. It provides stability and support, allowing them to move around with confidence and ease. The Hemi walker is specifically designed to accommodate those with limited arm or hand function. It offers a side-style design, making it easy to maneuver and use. One of the key features is its easy folding mechanism. It can be folded with just one hand, making it convenient for storage and transportation. This walker is built to last, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It's constructed from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand daily use. The walker comes in a neutral gray color. It's a practical and reliable mobility aid that can help improve the quality of life. What we like? This walker folds easily with one hand, making it incredibly convenient for users with limited mobility. Its wider base provides enhanced stability compared to a cane. If you are looking for a reliable support system that's easy to manage and offers a high weight capacity, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to fold up and very sturdy. Very sturdy and adjustable. This is sturdy for him at 320 pounds. Number 1. Dynarex 101641 Arm Walker, Adjustable Height. This side-style walker, also known as a Hemi walker, is designed for individuals with weakness or injury on one side of their body. It's a great mobility aid for those recovering from an injury or stroke. Weighing less than 3.5 pounds, it's a perfect choice for those needing support on one side. The durable aluminum frame provides a wide base for enhanced stability, making it easy to maneuver. This walker offers the ideal level of support for those needing more than a cane but not a full walker. It's suitable for both long-term and temporary users, providing reliable assistance. To adjust the height, stand straight with your hands at your side. The hand grips should align with your wrists. Use the push buttons to adjust it to your perfect height. The Dynarex one-arm walker is a simple solution for those struggling with standing, balancing, or walking. It's a best-in-class alternative, offering superior support and ease of use. What we like? This walker has a lightweight design, making it easy to handle. It also offers adjustable height to suit your needs. If you need more support than a cane but don't require a full walker, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Lightweight, very sturdy with great quality, and easy to manage. Excellent. Exactly what we were looking for. Works great. High quality. The Hemi walker is so much better than a cane. It really looks big on the pictures, but it really isn't a bad size. It folds up and it's adjustable for height. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.